Alright, let's print dunder name, and dunder just means that there are two underscores at the very beginning and at the very end of the variable. And so when I run this helper.py, I get dunder main, which means that this script was executed directly from this helper.py file. Now if I import this helper file, helper, into this app.py file and say python3 app.py file, as you can see I get helper instead, because now it knows that it was imported and it is not executed directly from helper.py file, but rather from the file that imported our helper. And so if we say if dunder name is equal to dunder main expression and put this print statement within it and remove the print statement from here and save it. Now when I run helper, it still shows me dunder main output, but when I run it now from app.py file, you may see that it doesn't show anything anymore, because it knows that the file that executed this script was not the file that contains this script, but rather it was a file that imported this script, and it knows the difference. So to sum it all up, this code runs only and only when this whole script is executed directly from the file that contains this script. If it is executed from the file that does not contain the script but rather imports the script, it will never return main, but rather return the name of the file that you imported, of course, or more precisely the name of the module that you imported. So the use case for this would be the following. As you can see, we have a unit test running here, and we want to run this unit test only when the file is executed directly. So basically running this file directly, right? But if somebody wants to import this file, we don't want to run the test, right? Because someone just wants to import it. And so let's say they want to take a look at test summation class and how it's constructed. It is not interested in the test in itself, it's interested in the class. And so this would be one of the use cases that you might think of. Thank you for watching this video, and I hope it was helpful.